Assalamu alaikum students, I am your science teacher. The second lecture of science is about words meaning of unit number 1. The first word is bones. Bones mean haddiyan. Our skeleton is made up of 206 bones. There are different shape of bones: long bones, flat bones, short bones and irregular bones. This is our skeleton made up from bones. Second word is skull. Skull means khopri. This is a skull that provides the cavity to brain. Skull is the framework which supports the organs to vision, to hearing, to smell and to taste. The third word is contract. Contract means sukarna. And the fourth word is stomach. Stomach means maida. This is how the food is entered to the stomach and digest the food to mix with the juice. The fifth word is skin. Skin means jild. Our skin is covering the body is about 7 layers. The sixth word is information. Malumat. Now let's learn short questions. Question number 1 is, what is the work of heart? Dil ka kya kaam hai? The answer is, heart pumps blood to all the different parts of body. दिल जिस्म के तमाम हिस्सों को खून फराहम करता है. Your heart is an extraordinary machine. Your heart muscular pumps blood throughout the body. Your heart has 4 chambers: left atrium, right atrium, and also right ventricles and left ventricles. Your heart pumps the blood to all the parts of body like head, arms, legs and abdomen. Your heart beats 60 to 100 beats per minute. The second question is, what does digestion means? हजम करने के अमल को क्या कहते हैं? The breaking down of the food is called digestion. खुराक के टूटने के अमल को डाइजेशन कहते हैं. Let's see digestion होती कैसे है. The process of digestion is start from inside the mouth. The food is mixed with saliva. And then food passes through the food pipe. And then it enters into the stomach, and here it mixes with hydraulic acids, digestive juice, and breaking the food. This is breaking down of the food is called digestion. Dear students, you have to write these 2 short questions and words meaning on your rough binders. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.